Time management is challenging for students of all levels. Lengthy assignments can make the matters worse. Rushing to finish the assignments at the last moment may be impossible. When it comes to academic writing, time management becomes crucial. This guide will teach you the time management strategies for academic writing. Have you ever felt that the whole day has passed by and you have not achieved what you had planned to? If the answer is yes, then you are facing time management issues. These are some of the common time management challenges that individuals experience during academic writing. Low motivation. Sometimes you are not motivated enough to complete your academic writing task within time. Procrastination. You put task off until little time remains before deadline. Too little time. Sometimes you do not have enough time to complete your assignments. Distractions, socialization, electronic devices, and other less important tasks cause distractions. Perfectionism. Attention to detail is a valuable skill but can interfere with time management. Increases the productivity and efficiency. Helps you achieve good grades in academic writing. Helps you manage your tasks effectively. Ensures that you are well prepared and organized. Can lead to success. An essay should demonstrate your skills, capabilities, and research. However, it is harder to achieve when you are running out of time. Time management is critical to writing good academic content, especially if it is complicated or lengthy. Establish timeline. Prepare in advance. Do not procrastinate. Minimize distractions. Make the environment peaceful. Outline. This will help you in achieving a cohesive essay. Create citations as you go. Set a daily word count goal. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.